Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Coinbase Pro application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Downloading Coinbase Pro on your iPhone is easy. The first thing you'll need is an internet connection, of course. Once you have it, simply tap open your app store from your iPhone, and soon after you do that, tap the search button at the lower right hand corner. A search box will appear at the top of the screen. Type in Coinbase Pro and search. The application Coinbase Pro will be displayed in the search result. If you'd like to view the further information about the app, tap on Coinbase Pro app and you can go through its preview, ratings and review, app's privacy, information and much more. If you'd like to quickly download the app on your iPhone without further delay, tap on the download button with a cloud icon in it, or tap on the install button right beneath the app. Wait until your app gets downloaded. Until it does, let me tell you what Coinbase Pro is. Coinbase Pro is known as the fastest, most trusted way to trade cryptocurrencies. This application is built for advanced crypto traders with all necessary info and tools that can help you trade with your cryptocurrencies. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to see the open button popping up right beneath the app. Tap on open to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Coinbase Pro application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.